This is Steffi AI, focusing on the newest developments in AI and the legal space. Please subscribe to my channel. The advent of ChatGPT, the fastest growing consumer application in history, has sparked enthusiasm and concern about the potential of artificial intelligence to transform the legal system. From chatbots that conduct client intake, to tools that assist with legal research, document management, even writing legal briefs, AI has been touted for its potential to increase efficiency in the legal industry. It also has been recognized for its ability to help close the access to justice gap by making legal help and services more broadly accessible to marginalized groups. Most low-income US households deal with at least one legal problem a year concerning matters like housing, healthcare, child custody, and protection from abuse, according to the Legal Services Corporation. They don't receive legal help for 92% of those problems. Moreover, our poorly funded public defense system for criminal matters has been a broken process in general for decades. AI and similar technologies show the promise in the ability to democratize legal services, including the applications such as online dispute resolution and automated document preparation. For example, ATJ Author used decision trees, a simplistic kind of AI, to build document preparation tools for complex filings in housing law, public benefits law, and more. The nonprofit JustFix provides online tools that help with a variety of landlord-tenant issues. And apps have been developed to help people with criminal punishment, to prepare for unemployment hearings, and even to get divorced. Still, there's more reason to be worried rather than optimistic about AI's potential effects on access to justice. Much of the existing technology and breakneck momentum in the industry is simply not geared toward the interests of underserved population, according to several legal industry analysts and experts on the intersection of law and technology. Despite the technology's potential, some warn that the current trajectory actually runs the risk of exacerbating existing disparities. AI has lots of potential, while stressing that there hasn't been enough public discussion of the many limitations of AI and of data itself. Fundamentally, problems of access to justice are about deeper structural inequities, not access to technology. It's critical to recognize that the development of AI technology is overwhelmingly unregulated and is driven by market forces, which categorically favor powerful, wealthy actors. After all, tech companies are not developing AI for free, and their interest is in creating a product attractive to those who can pay for it. Your ability to enjoy the benefits of any new technology corresponds directly to your ability to access that technology, and one has to take into account that it costs around $20 to access GPT itself. Generative AI has fueled a new tech gold rush in big law and other industries, and those projects can sometimes cost millions. Big law firms and legal service providers are integrating AI search tools into their workflows, and some have partnered with tech companies to develop applications in-house. Global law firm Ellery and Overy announced in February that its lawyers are now using chatbot-based AI technology from a startup called Harvey to automate some legal document drafting and research. For example, Harvey received a $5 million investment last year in the funding round. Last month, PricewaterhouseCoopers said 4,000 of its legal professionals will also begin using the generative AI tool. But legal aid organizations, public defenders, and civil rights lawyers who serve minority and low-income groups simply don't have the funds to develop or co-develop AI technology, nor to contract for AI applications at the scale. The resources problem is reflected in the contours of the legal market itself, which is essentially two distinct sectors. One that represents wealthy organization clients, and another that works for consumers and individuals. Americans spent about $84 billion in legal services in 2021, according to Henderson Research and the US Census Bureau data. This is in stark contrast to businesses that spend more than $221 billion and generate almost 70% of the legal services industry revenue. Several non-lawyers are highly motivated to develop in this area, but are concerned about crossing the line into unauthorized practice of law. The challenge is that there isn't a uniform definition of what constitutes unauthorized practice across jurisdictions. On balance, it's clear that AI certainly has great potential to disrupt and improve access to justice, but it's much less clear that we have the infrastructure or political will to make that happen. This is Steffi AI, focusing on the newest developments in AI and the legal space. Please subscribe to my channel, put any questions or feedback in the comment section. Goodbye.